welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 22 of our 28 days to split challenge. Let's get started. 5-minute morning stretch. Okay, today we're starting with the butterfly pose. We're not gonna use any weights. Just pulse your knees a little bit, let go any tension, relax your shoulders and breathe. Okay, now create more space and fold forward. Here's your daily affirmation. I accept myself unconditionally. I accept myself unconditionally. I accept myself unconditionally. Okay, awesome. Grab your bands now. You can actually use 2 small bands this time because we're gonna go into the reverse or recline straddle. So lay down, and from here I'll place 2 bands or 2 straps. You can use straps as well around your legs. And now I'll just open the legs and keep pulling. Stay here, enjoy the moment. Keep breathing. Okay. One more time here. Stay here, stay with me. You can alternate pulling each leg, create something like a swing. Now both legs at the same time, and close and up. And finishing with my favorite froggy stretch. Okay, slide your knees, keep your body in line with your knees and enjoy the stretch. Stay here, keep breathing. We are almost done. And slowly up. Okay. Nicely done. Well done, everyone. This is day 22. Now here's your self-love daily assignment. Visit a bookstore. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to repeat this stretch once during your lunch break and once before going to bed, just to increase your flexibility and get into that split.